Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm in a different setup today. I'm in my living room, and I really wanted to film a video for you guys that I am blown away about. If you saw from the thumbnail and the title, it is Goodbye Bad Stuff, and it is from Hello Bello. If you don't know what Hello Bello is, they are an amazing company from Shepard and Kristen, and I am so lucky and so blessed to receive this package. I think it's very beneficial if you have kids with certain products that are kind of, you don't really know what's in them, and especially for your kids, it's one thing to do things to yourself because you can read, but it's for your kids. I just love that everything is like plant-based and just organic and everything like that. We're gonna go through it with you guys in this video, but I'm so thankful that you guys clicked on this video. Anyways, stop rambling. Let's get into this video, and I can't wait to show you guys what's in this box. Okay, so first things first. So I zoomed you in a little bit, and so this is the box. It is so gorgeous. It's so heavy. There's so much product in here. You guys, can we talk about it? Oh my god. So anyways, first things first. It says Goodbye Bad Stuff, and Hello Bello is now available in Canada. So Hello Bello is now available in Canada. Sorry, I'm filming with natural light today, so bear with me if it kind of goes dark. Hello Canada, we're so excited to announce Hello Bello is now available to our friends in Canada. Thank you for being so patient as we work to bring our diapers and personal care products your way. Your notes and kind words have meant the world to us. Starting today, you can start shopping at HelloBello.ca. I will leave link down below for you guys. We created Hello Bello because we believe every parent should have access to premium products without having to pay a premium price. Amazing. We are really proud of all our products, and we hope you will love them. You can learn more about Hello Bello by following our journey on social at Hello Bello, and remember to hashtag Hello Bello so we can hear your thoughts. Love, Kristen, Bell, and Dax. So that's amazing. Before we get started, everything now, I kind of saw on their Instagram that they have amazing soft diapers and plant-based wipes delivered right to your door. So if you want to try Hello Bello, they actually have a discount code for 25% off your first diaper bundle with Hello25 at checkout. So make sure you guys check it out. We are going to start off is the premium organic baby powder, which I don't really use a lot of baby powder because I don't think my kids had a lot of rashes, but it smells super nice. It's I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, super cute packaging, talc free, made with organic cornstarch, bamboo powder, aloe, and calendula. And yeah, everything is written out. It's no secrets to it. Real cool. So that's the first product. The next product is, of course, you always need baby oil. I haven't used baby oil. I feel like I should have, but starting now, I'm definitely be doing it. Hello Bello plant-based, made with baobab, tamanu, and jojoba oils. Premium baby oil. So there's fragrance-free, all that jazz. It's super good. Make sure you guys try it. The next thing is one of my favorites. It is premium baby lotion, but it's super cute because they color coordinated. So there's the different kind of colors. So the purple ones are absolutely my favorite because they are lavender, which I love lavender. And so they have the premium bubble bath first. Plant-based, made with organic aloe, jojoba, calendula, avocado, and cucumber extracts. And you guys, the smell is so good, and it's so calming, oh my god. And it goes well with the premium baby lotion. Same thing, it just smells so good. Oh, so good. So yeah, the purple ones are my favorites so far since looking at everything. But yeah, who doesn't love bubble bath? My kids are still 2 and 4 and they love bubble baths. So yeah. The next thing is the yellow ones. So they are, sorry, box is huge. So this is another premium baby lotion. This one is shampoo and body wash. So this is what you wash them with, and it's soothing vanilla apricot. It's actually not my favorite smell. But I feel like if I kind of got more used to it, it would smell a little bit better. I think it's gonna be okay. But it at first scent, I think I was kind of like, ooh, it's a little different. But same thing, made with organic aloe, jojoba, calendula, avocado, and cucumber extracts. And yeah, wash them with head to toe, avoid the eyes. But yeah, just stop, make sure with everything, just stop using them if it's like causing them irritation or anything, like with everything that you try. But they are tested and tried and true, and I feel like with them, with their kids, they're just not, they don't mess around. So anyways, so that is the yellow ones. Next are the amazing wipes, which is super, super cute. So I can't wait to try them. Look at the packaging, you guys. They're so ridiculously cute. So this blue one is for, there's 60 wipes in here, which is crazy amazing. 60 Hello Bello wipes. And these ones are, there's 99% water in here. And these are, okay, so these are the, and they're biodegradable wipes, which is amazing because sometimes wipes just go in the landfill, no good. So these are premium quality cloth, hypoallergenic, soft and sensitive, and fragrance free. So those are the blue ones. So make sure you guys try this out. And these are like, it almost looks like a cow, but it's not a cow. These are biodegradable, and there's 56 wipes in here, and these are premium quality cloth, hypoallergenic, fragrance free. So I'm guessing these are for more sensitive skin, and then these are just the regular wipes. So these are them. But yeah, that's the end of this haul, this unboxing. I was so excited to receive this package. Like, I couldn't believe how big it was when it came out. Like when I saw it, I was like, what is this? And then I opened it and I was like, oh, I was so blown away. Like, oh my God, like this is crazy. But there also is a blog post too with pictures. There will be a blog post of it as well. Once you're seeing this video, the blog post is out as well. It's together, it's one unit. And basically it's just my review on it and what I like and what I don't like. But make sure you guys check it out. It's lifestylebestie.com, and it's probably /HelloBello, probably something Hello Bello. But anyways, with that being said, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for sticking around. I know I haven't been around. I've been just dealing, not with a lot, but I've been just kind of in a funk, and I just, you know, feeling very, trying to get out there creatively, and yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being subscribers. Make sure you guys share this video if you can. Tell your friends if you like me. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And comment below what you want to see next. I would love to hear from you. And as well as, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And if you guys ever do try these products, please let me know what you guys think about them. I would love to hear from you. So anyways, love you guys. See you guys next week. Bye.